Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deposit money from bank account to crypto.com. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to deposit money from bank account to crypto.com. After that, you can see these following options. Now select the second option. It will then direct you here. And then you can see the step-by-step process. So the first thing that you want to do is to select Link Bank Account. After that, it says here that we need to enter the USD amount up to your daily limit. After that, lastly, we need to review your deposit details and then click on Confirm. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.